Hey guys, how are you? So this is the second video of JavaScript tutorial series, and in this video we are going to see how can we write our JavaScript code not in an HTML file but in another script file which is dedicated for JavaScript. So right now you see we have an HTML file and an HTML code. The file is inside the JavaScript beginners folder index.html, and we have two lines of JavaScript code. Now, this code is being executed directly in the HTML file, but what if we have a dedicated script file for JavaScript? So let us create it. So I will right click the folder, create a new file, name it as script.js. So yes guys, the JavaScript file is having extension as .js. So let us create the file, and now let us cut the JavaScript code from HTML file and paste it in the script file. So we have two lines of code which we had in the previous video where we are logging an info message and an error message. But now we have the JavaScript code in a dedicated script file. Let us save the HTML file and copy the HTML path and open this particular HTML file in a browser. So once you open this file in a browser and right click on your browser, you will find this inspect, and when you will go to inspect and console, you will not find any message. Now let us come back to our code and observe what is happening. So right now we do not have any JavaScript code which can run and log a console message, but we have the code in the script.js file. Now we need to refer to this script.js file in our index.html file, and for that we are going to make use of this script tag. This time, instead of writing the code inside the script tag, we can refer to this script.js file. So let us see how we can do it. First, let us make it in a single line, and this time we are going to add an attribute to our script tag. The attribute key name is src, and this will be equal to the file name, your JavaScript file. Now the JavaScript file is in the same folder in which the index.html file is. So I will directly write the name. Ideally we write the path here. So path is in the same folder. So let's just write the name as script.js. Save the code and let us go back to our browser. And this time when you refresh your browser, you will see these messages coming again. And now you see the messages are coming from the script.js file line number 1 and script.js file line number 2. So this is how we can have a HTML code and refer to an external JavaScript code using the script tag. So I hope you understood the concept of how to refer to an external JavaScript file in your HTML file. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video of this series. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like the video. And I will see you guys in the next video.